Hello, Hivers. Welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're working with the Paper Pumpkin Kit for February 2024, the Sweet Springtime Kit. This is what the kit makes. I've already made this video for the unboxing and demonstrating all of these projects. Today we're going to be making an alternate, but before we get to that, of course, we have to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. So let's start with the March Paper Pumpkin Kit, Memorable Meadows, that includes a free stamp set. It makes 9 cards and has a garden green stamping spot. And if you're a Paper Pumpkin subscriber, you can add the Love of Spring dies to your order. For $12, you get 4 dies. The item number is 164396, and it does coordinate with January, February, and March's Paper Pumpkin Kit, okay? Next up, we have our mystery boxes. These are the medium flat rate USPS boxes that I have stuffed full of my retired Stampin' Up! Product, new and used. I'm asking $30 each for the boxes. Shipping is included in that price, and I can only sell and mail in the USA. If you're interested, visit my blog at honeybeestampinhive.com and click on the image of this flyer, all right? Next up, we have our host code. This is the code I want you to use whenever you're placing an order with me. Unless your order is $150 or more, don't use this host code. You're going to qualify for Stampin' Rewards, and Stampin' Rewards equals free product from Stampin' Up!, and we don't want you to miss out on any of your freebies. And during Sale-A-Bration, you can get some more freebies for every $50 that you spend before shipping and tax. You qualify for some free products from Stampin' Up! Out of this Sale-A-Bration brochure. We have plenty to choose from, okay? Let's go ahead and get started on our project. We're going to start by stamping. So let's get our Early Espresso Classic Stampin' ink pad. And we're going to get a piece of scrap of some crumb cake and some basic white. This white is for the inside of our card, and it is 3.5 by 4 3/4, okay? So what we're going to do is stamp our sentiment, and I'm going to stamp it more to the left of this little scrap piece here, just like that. Welcome, baby. And then we're going to stamp a little chick. And I think I want to stamp a little bunny. Well, this bunny is not so little. Just right there. Just like that. Then I'm going to go ahead and get our card base. This is thick basic white, 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. We're going to burnish down our score line. And we are going to stamp on the back of our card with my personalized stamp. Just like that. And now we can put our ink away because everything is stamped. Now we are going to go ahead and color this. So for the bunny, I'm just going to color the ears with some petal pink. And then the little nose. Let me make that better. Okay, that's all we're doing for the bunny. And for the little chick here, we're going to get some Daffodil Delight. Do a rough color on that. I guess I should have kept the petal pink because I want to do the little beak on our chick there. And we'll get some light crumb cake and do the legs. Even though they're probably orange or something, I don't know. So now we're going to go ahead and glue some stuff together. So let's go ahead and mat this onto a piece of crumb cake that is 5 by 3 3/4. So let's get that out and mat this onto that. And then we're going to put this on the inside of our card. I love this Paper Pumpkin Kit because it can be Easter, it can be baby, it could be birthday. It could be really a lot of things. It's just spring. Okay, so that's our inside. Now, for the outside, we have some crumb cake here that is 2 7/8 by 4 3/8. And we're going to layer a piece of the card front, or card back in this case, from that is 4 1/4 by 2 3/4. So this is the back of one of the cards from the kit. So we're going to layer this on here, just like that. Okay, and then we have another piece of a different card front. This one is 1 3/8 by 3 7/8, and we're going to layer that on a piece of crumb cake that is 1 1/2 by 4. So let's go ahead and do that. Come on, glue. Let's put that on here. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Try to get it evenly spaced on all 4 sides. All right, I'm gonna have that done. Let's go ahead and pop this onto our card base. We're gonna put this right across the middle here, like that. Then we're gonna pop this right over it, like this. Oop, too far down. Trying to get it straight. Oh, no, that's crooked. Oh, okay. I think that's straight. That's probably going to be as straight as I can get it. All right. Now we're going to set this to the side and we're going to pull out our baby boss, the mini Stampin' and Cut and Emboss machine, so that we can die cut our sentiment. So for the die cutting of this sentiment, I have the banner from the Stylish Shapes dies. I have one of the banners here. So we're going to take that. I'm going to place this on our sentiment. And I want it more towards the left of the paper. Let's try to get this straight. Put some washi, I keep saying washi tape. Oh, this is washi tape. Oh, I'm usually saying tearing tape when I mean washi tape. So, Lord, Lord, Lord. Let's just do this. Okay, so here's our sentiment cut out. Let's put that tape back. And, oh my gosh. I was not supposed to cut this, glue this yet because I needed to put this on. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to mark it with my nail. I'm going to get my little guillotine cutter that I got during Sale-A-Bration one year. So this is no longer available, but it was during Sale-A-Bration. It was one of the offers when you joined. So I want to cut that off just like that. And we're going to glue this. Goodness gracious. See, sometimes I'm like, why am I waiting to glue this down? I can go ahead and do that now. Then I do it, and then I remember. That's why I wanted to wait. Because I had other stuff to do. Come on, stop wobbling around here, egg. Okay. There. All right. Now, I have a piece of the linen thread or the twine that comes in the kit. And I am just going to figure 8 this thing. And we're going to put it right here. I'm going to hold that down with, guess what? Not washi tape, but some tearing tape. Well, if I can find the end here. I just need a little piece because we're just going to be holding it together right there. Peel up the backing up. Burnish it down first so it won't come up. Okay. And I'm just rolling it because I just need it to be on this. And we're going to take one of the flowers from the kit, pop that up on a dimensional. We're going to add that right over where that tearing tape is, just like that. Okay. Next, we have an image from the Paper Pumpkin kit of the bunny and the little chick. And we're going to pop them up right about here, like that. And we're going to take the opaque faceted gems. These are free with a $50 order during Sale-A-Bration. One of your choices. You don't have to get this, but it is a good choice because it goes with a lot of things. And we're going to use some of these pecan pie. Come off. Thank you. Let's see. Do I want a small one or a big one? Let's do a big one. And I think I want to put that one right here. Whoop. Let's put that one. Come to the end of my take your pick tool, please. We're going to put that one right there, right by the bunny. Okay, you guys, that's the card. What do you think? I like that. Yeah, I think I do. I'm thinking about putting another small piece of dimensional at the top of this, but other than that, that's done. Isn't that cute? Look at that. All right, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.